Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just had this lovely Ford Kuga arrive into stock. It's in fantastic condition, finished in Java black. It's got the sun protection glass tinted windows at the rear. It does have a detachable tow bar that can stay on or come off, but about a good £600 at least those are, so it's a nice little bonus. Rear park distance control. Just enjoying a lovely condition throughout. Rear's in lovely condition. The rear parcel shelf. Being the titanium, you've got the half leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's a facelift model, don't forget as well. It's only done 66,890 miles. Just going to have a full service, just going to have a 12 months MOT. Cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, satellite navigation, park distance control, media pack, DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, mobile apps download, climate control, 6-speed gearbox, nice centre armrest, USBs. Really is in lovely condition throughout. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.